Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pink Sport. Top 4 opponents for Becky Lynch return to WWE. Becky Lynch has been out of action since announcing her pregnancy on 11th May 2020 episode of WWE Raw, and since the birth of her child in December, fans have eagerly anticipated her return to the Squared Circle. Predict the perfect opponents for the former women's champions upon her return. WWE is only weeks away from the return of touring, with Money in the Bank on 18th July being the first major pay-per-view event to be held in an arena full of fans, and SummerSlam slated to be this year's equivalent to WrestleMania. And that can mean only one thing: the man is coming back around. Now we move towards her opponents. What should await Lynch when she jumps back into the ring? Maybe it on Mondays or Fridays. Number 4, Charlotte Flair. Flair is the centerpiece of women's wrestling in WWE, and her credibility is off the chart. One of the most decorated performers in the company as a whole, Flair would present Lynch with an instant main event scenario. More importantly, Lynch is destined to have her ring rust to shake off, and there is no better opponent for her to do that with than someone like Flair, with whom she has had infinite encounters. Not by any means the flashiest or most interesting program on the planet, it would be exactly the Mercury feud fans expect from Lynch when she returns on WWE programming. Number 3, Rhea Ripley. The Ripley feud rank at number 3 because while it feels like something the company will absolutely get to, it also feels entirely too soon. If Lynch returns and is thrown right into the title shot, not to mention wins the gold, the backlash will be mighty. Ripley will turn into a sympathetic figure. It would create unnecessary negative publicity for what should be momentous return. Number 2, Bayley. The biggest question surrounding Lynch's return is which show it will happen on. With WWE preparing to tour again, the odds are Lynch will want to be on the same show as fiancé Seth Rollins. To do that, she would have to jump ship to SmackDown, where the talent pool is not quite as deep, but one match stands out. At SmackDown, there is the added element of Bayley's recent friendship with Rollins. WWE has never met a romantic storyline. It did not want to shove down viewers' throats. To varying degree of success, Lynch returning and targeting Bayley's as a mere warning, rather than a full-fledged love triangle, would be a nice touch. Regardless of how the story is told, the possibility of a Lynch-Bayley feud would bring a certain level of in-ring work that fans demand of those performers. Number 1, Asuka. The Empress of Tomorrow carried the Red Brand roster during Lynch's absence, holding the championship for the better part of a year with only momentary interruptions. While the necessity for a long-time feud between the two is not there, Asuka as Lynch's first opponent back from maternity leave would present a high-profile match between two of most decorated and popular female wrestlers of the past 20 years, and conceivably be one hell of a first match back for the man. Friends, what are your thoughts about this? Sound off in the comments below. Friends, if you like my content, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will give me appreciation to bring more content for you.